Hey there fellas, welcome back. So it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video in this channel. You can say that I abandoned this one around 2 or 3 years ago, and I'm back. So in this channel I will be uploading videos related to YouTube, that is SEO, digital marketing, about things that will help you start your YouTube channel from scratch. So let's discuss in this video why you should start a YouTube channel in 2020. That is right now, guys. Why you should start a YouTube channel? Why do you start a YouTube channel? There are two types of people who start a YouTube channel. The first case, the people who are talented. They want to show the people what they have got. Like it may be singing, dance, artistic skills, something like that. They want to show the people. And the second type of people, that is the most number of YouTubers out there, including me, who want to make money. We want to make money, guys. So what do? So we don't have any particular talent like singing, dancing, nothing. So what do? We research on topics that people want to see, people want to hear, and make videos based on that. So this is a good practice, and there are a lot of YouTubers out there who make money following this. Now why do they fail? But most of the YouTubers fail. So why do they fail? It's just because they dream very big. Well, it's right to dream big, but why they fail is because even when you are dreaming big, you need to start small and find a path for you to reach your destination. And they fail because in the start they won't be getting a response that they're expecting, and they get discouraged, and that is, they're disappointed and won't be persistent to follow their dream because they want to earn money quickly. So this is what happened in most cases, including myself. So let me tell you, now after abandoning this channel, I made a channel, Anime for You, which is currently taken down by YouTube, and I uploaded around 10 videos in that. So the first video, I just copied one video from YouTube, then made some aspect ratio changes. So I wasn't so good at editing at that time, so I just made some changes in the aspect ratios after listening to some other YouTuber. And from that, and then actually took me around 30 minutes to make this video, and I spent around 1 hour on SEO, that is the title, description, tag, to make it as best possible. I was checking the SEO score provided by vidIQ. I was using the correct version of vidIQ, so I was getting a better result. So after spending around 1 hour, I got around 46 out of 50 for the SEO, 46, 47, something like that, and I was really happy because at the starting the SEO score was around 11, then I made it around 46, 47, so it was a really good SEO score. So I uploaded that video, and I checked my competitors who were using the same thing, same content, and I found that the average was around 100k to 50k, something like that. So I was expecting around 50k minimum, and the result what I got was around 50 views, and that was the first day. The second day I got 2 views, but I wasn't discouraged. No, I wasn't discouraged. Second day also I picked a different video, did the editing, SEO stuff, spent a lot of time, and uploaded, and the result 30 views, and the next day 1 view. But still hoping for the best. Third day uploaded another video, still the same. Fourth day uploaded another video, done thumbnail, SEO, description tag, title, keyword, everything, but still the same. The video didn't rank, nor the views went up, neither did the subscribers. So on the fifth day, what did I do? I was kind of discouraged now because my videos, that no one was watching my video, and so I just randomly picked some videos, uploaded it, and I didn't even do the editing part. So after that I left the YouTube channel like that, and I came back around 2 months later, and what I found out was that my videos were doing actually very good. The views were around 700 to 800k, the total views, and each day I was getting around 10k views, and my watch hours was around 16,000 watch hours, and subscribers 3.2k. Now why did this happen? This happened because the SEO that you are doing is not something that will immediately come into action. It takes time, 2 weeks, 1 month, and after this time period your views, your subscribers will start increasing exponentially. This is where you guys go wrong. So what you need to do, you need to be persistent. If you are persistent, you will surely succeed. If you can upload at least 5 videos per day and the quality is good for the videos that you are uploading, then you will surely succeed in making your own YouTube channel. So go for it, create your channel in 2020 and you will succeed, whether it be tag, gameplay, whatever be it. Be persistent, at least for 15 days. Never even break a single day. Upload daily at least one video, and I can guarantee you that you will surely get a good result. Now, before winding up this video, I'm going to tell you guys that each weekly once I will be reviewing one of your videos. That is, I'll be checking my subscribers and one of their channels and reviewing the contents that they're doing right, how they're doing their thumbnail, the lighting of their video, the camera positioning, and how they present. So I will be reviewing you and explaining you where you are going wrong, what you did right, and how you can improve further. So if you want your channel to be reviewed, please let me know in the comment section below, and so that you don't miss it, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Till next time, take care.